because they will be having good news for for everyone. So Ma'am Normet, siguro i-start nila. Yes. O ano po yung good news? Why this press conference has been done?
Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you for coming. And today we would like to announce that Boracay Island will be hosting the very first World Pickleball Championship series. It's going to be level 2, tier 2, and it will be on the 24th of April until the 27th of April.
Okay. Before we start na, thank you Ma'am. Pakilala muna po isa. Okay.
My name is Edward Galmanans. Edward.
My name is Jesse Rosales from Boracay Pickleball Island Club.
I'm Brian Moran from USA, and I've been living here for 2.5 years.
I'm Normet Pregluparts Hoover. I'm the co-organizer of WPC Boracay, and these are our top players of the Pickleball Club Boracay.
Hi, good afternoon to everybody. I'm Anna Ruaro, and I'm a member of the Boracay Island Pickleball Club.
Good afternoon. I am Marlon Lau. I'm the proprietor of this sports center. It's called Habagat Sports Center. And we have courts available for beach tennis games and now pickleball. We have one court for pickleball now. And we're building another court that will make 2 courts for pickleball in 2 weeks' time. It will be available for pickleball enthusiasts. Thank you.
Yes, good afternoon everyone. I am Jerome Barrientos, just a pickleball enthusiast.
Hi, my name is Ina Palyarca, and I'm a member of Boracay Island Pickleball Club.
Kung sino yung questions, pwede na mag-questions. Jeffrey from the RMN.
Okay. Jeffrey De La Cruz of RMN DYKR Calibo. So you're going to hold this pickleball game on April 24, am I right, ma'am? So what are we going to expect in this competition, ma'am?
Okay. There will be 24th and 5th and 6th, 27, a 4-day event. We are expecting over 300 players and plus spectators, of course, all over the country and also outside the Philippines. Since we opened it the last week for World Pickleball Championship. What else? We're gonna have parties, of course, Boracay.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, Jomer Soriano from Brigada News FM Calibo. Before anything else, we jump into competition na. Tell us what really the background, because this is a new in our hearing and maybe this is a new event. What is pickleball?
All right, what is pickleball? So for us, pickleball is a new, it's an upcoming sport, but pickleball has been around for more than 50 years. It was invented in 1965 in the United States of America. Not by Brian. And it's a combination of other racket sports. So it's a combination of course, tennis, table tennis, and maybe badminton because the same size of the court. It is played as either a singles match, so 1-on-1, or doubles, 2 versus 2. So it's a racket sport. It uses a paddle and a plastic ball. So it's a wiffle ball. I'm sure you want to ask me, bakit siya pickleball? So it's called pickleball because two stories are that it started as something based on a pickle boat, na parang sama-sama yan eh. It's a concept sa States, sa boating. And the other one, the more common reason is the person who invented pickleball named it after their dog named Pickles. So, brief history. In our country, it's been around for the past few years, even before the pandemic. Nagsa-start na po yung pickleball sa atin. But it only started being more popular last year in Boracay when the group started coming together and we started playing. And then now, we're thankful that we now have this event and we hope to bring it to more people as it's already come to Calibo because we now have a facility to play at here. So we've been coming to Calibo from Boracay because we want to see the new facilities and to meet more people and to encourage more people to join the pickleball community here.
So the pickleball is first introduced in Boracay.
No. Pickleball has been booming in the Philippines. It started even before the pandemic, I said, maybe 2017 if I'm not mistaken. It was brought in by, I think, expats. And then tinuturo na nila. Then during the pandemic, I know more people have started to learn it because it's an outdoor activity. There are many clubs, there are hundreds of pickleball clubs in the Philippines. They've been hosting tournaments. Okay, Filipinos have been joining international tournaments as well. But for this particular one that we're announcing, it's the first one that we are holding in Boracay Island.
How they win to this game?
How do we win?
How do they win?
How do we win? Would you like to go into that? Sorry.
That's a score.
We played at 15, and you have to win by 2. You side out. You get 2 side outs. Two servers, and you have to score. The serving team must be the scoring team. Who scores?
Okay. Yes.
Actually, okay, so my voice is louder. There, okay, go.
Yes, yeah. So it's the first one to 15 wins, and you must be serving the score, and you get 2 side outs on each side. So you have to win by 2.
So the games are, so again, singles or doubles, and then we score, and the first to get to either, as Brian said, 15, but we can also go 1 game to 11 points, or to 15 points, and then with a difference between 2. So it sounds familiar. If you play other sports like badminton, or if you play tennis, so
6 years old, up to what age, as long as you can.
Thank you very much.
Are you a weight coach? Of the tournament.
ping. So, di ba, sabi ko, doubles, 2. So, pwedeng women's doubles, then may men's doubles, and then there's mixed doubles. We have one guy and a girl playing together.
How about the rules, ma'am? The differences of rules for table tennis and pickleball?
The difference between table tennis and pickleball, the rules. I mean, you can do volley. Volley means the ball doesn't have to bounce. That's the same like the pickleball. The difference is actually bigger court. Yeah, I mean, his question is the difference between table tennis and pickleball.
The rules.
The rules. The difference.
A difference of rules of tennis
Table tennis or lawn tennis? Ping pong? Are we talking about lawn tennis? Or
Beach tennis.
Sports.
the rules of the first of all, the scoring system is different. The beach tennis, you don't bounce the ball, and the pickleball, you can bounce or you can volley.
May I add to that question? The pickleball is kind of a mix ruling, like rule of a ping pong or the table tennis. We have the rule of the badminton, the rule of the lawn tennis. One rule that resemblance to the ping pong or the table tennis is the bouncing rule. We have the two, let's say, once you serve the ball, it should be bounced to the other court and that will be bounced again to the next court. So ganun ang rule natin sa pickleball. Yes, and the other rule in scoring is we have side outs, same as the volleyball. Actually, it's hard to explain the rules because the pickleball is like a mixing of a paddle or a racket sports. Kasi yung pickleball nga, it is a mixing of ping pong, badminton, and tennis. So kung iisa-isahin namin ang rule, it going to be long story. So, but maybe Doc Anna can explain the resemblance of the rule of badminton, table tennis, and lawn tennis to pickleball.
Actually, as Sir said, it's long. It will take a while to explain everything. But what I'd like to do now is invite you guys to stick around later, and then maybe we can all play pickleball. We can help you learn more about the game, which is what we want naman for this, for the sport. We want to encourage more people to play. So I think that would be great, diba sir? If you stick around later, one-on-one tayo. Oh, diba? Nag-table tennis ka, no? Hindi rin. Table tennis na tayo. Turuan kita. Next question, sir.
Next question.
Okay. Sige. It is my first time to discover this Habagat Sports Center. So how long that this Habagat Sports Center already exists, sir, ma'am?
Salamat sa tanong. Actually, nag-umpisa kami few days before nagkaroon na tayo ng first Mayor's Cup last July 2024. So, nag-blessing kami to June 30. So, 2024 pa kami existing. Kaya lang, dinedevelop pa yung facility. Now, itong beach tennis, we started noong July. And then, December na itong pickleball court na tapos. And then, itong second one, April. So, more or less malapit na, mag-1 year na ang beach tennis dito sa Kalibo.
So since then, sir, marami na kayong mga youngs na nagpa-practice na?
Marami na. It's a growing community ng players, regular players. We have a range of players coming from different walks of life. May estudyante, may doctors, yung background nila, yung iba galing sa volleyball, yung iba galing sa badminton, tennis players, or walang sport at all. Kasi talking about beach tennis, madali lang siyang to learn. Of course, to learn how to play, or after an hour, pwede na kayong maglaro. And we have trainers here, first-timers. Once you come in, merong konting introduction sa sport, how to hold the racket, yung how to play it, yung balikan ng bola, even serving. So you will be taught that pagdating mo. So ang intention namin is yung nga, ma-spread also ang sport ng beach tennis as well as pickleball. Sa pickleball, we have Sir Paul Salido who does that na sa mga bago. He takes on the role of the trainer. So both sport pwede pong nating matutunan once you come in. Medyo tago kasi itong lugar na ito dahil not everyone knows this side of Bougainvillea Road. This is Bougainvillea Road. We are in Andagaw. So we are coming from Martilino, just Martilino, turn left tayo para makarating dito pabalik sa Ilang-Ilang Road. So marami nga masyadong hindi pa familiar. So hopefully in the coming days, as people get to know and be interested in beach tennis and pickleball, maging familiar na rin po tayo sa lugar na ito. Thank you.
Is this the first pickleball facility in the province of Aklan, sir?
It is not. Well, it is the proper court for pickleball. Yung iba kasi once ahead of yung before they play sa tennis courts, they just put up lines sa tennis court, so sharing yung court, no? Pwede kang maglaro ng tennis as well as pickleball kasi dinadagdagan lang yung linya. And then even sa basketball courts, they also just add lines for the pickleball, so people can play pickleball indoors. Dito sa Kalibo, ang pagkakaalam ko, yung sa Capital Tennis courts meron tayo, and alam ko rin si Coach Boy meron siya sarili sa New Washington.
I wonder, sir, if that paddle is very heavy para sa game.
Very light, siguro mga 300 grams, ganun. 8 ounces. That's some...
You may carry it if you want.
Sige.
Sir, para po sa mga gusto maglaro dito, sir. Maglaro ba din is free or with
Entrance.
Meron tayong court fee. Magkaiba po. Meron tayong court fees. Very affordable naman. Yeah, we are more affordable than Boracay, definitely. So, kaya po, and then our business hours, we can set appointments sa umaga para kasi dahil open court tayo, pagdating ng tanghali mainit na. So, from 7 to 10, and then later on from 3 up to 10 o'clock or 11 in the evening. Meron tayong lights sa gabi. So, currently sa nangyayari, mostly mga dumadating yung players from 4 or 5 hanggang 10 o'clock. Pag weekends, hanggang 11. Mga bisita natin from Boracay hanggang alas 12 sila kagabi. So, okay lang, we're flexible tungkol dyan.
Bakit Boracay yung ano na yun? Kasi napakalaking recognition to sa Aklan to host the first pickleball championship in the Philippines.
Well, bakit Boracay? Kasi Boracay is very well known, di ba? At saka napakaganda niya. So, the WPC, the World Pickleball Championship, founders, they're looking for specific locations na not only players can go just to play, but also, beautiful locations. Because nagiging trend yung pickleball na para siyang naging holiday trend. Parang pupunta ako sa isang beach, pupunta ako sa Thailand, pupunta ako sa Vietnam, pupunta ako sa America, or pupunta ako sa Europe. Ngayon, parang ang nangyayari, parang pupunta ako sa court ng Vietnam, sa pickleball court ng SM Manila, o sa pickleball court Libo or Boracay. Parang nagiging sport tourism, exactly. Yeah.
Okay. May mga questions pa?
Yes, ma'am. Here. Hello, Vince Josh Reyes from Bogoraya, California. How will you explain this to our students, youngsters? Because for sure, there will be a lot of spectators and students who will watch the competition in Boracay. Are you going to conduct or to have symposium training before the competition starts?
In addition, ma'am, to those interested of this game.
We were thinking really about to do some clinics, but most probably after the competitions, because we're a little bit like we started planning the tournament like about 8 weeks ago, and it was supposed to be just part of the Love Boracay event, which is a series of sports event from beach volleyball, beach tennis, dragon boat, even beach basketball is something new. It was supposed to be just a part of the Love Boracay, but then the founders of the WPC contacted us and it became a huge tournament. So we would probably do a clinic after the tournament.
To attract more tourists in the island of Boracay, you have a plan to have an international competition in there?
This is the idea to start a small event. I mean, it's a level 2 event. The highest event is called Tier 5. We're doing the Tier 2, which is a national and international event. Tier 3 is kind of an intercontinental, which probably we will do next. But this is like a trial event for the WPC and hopefully for the bigger one.
Ma'am, since this is the first time in Boracay, how many groups will compete?
Groups. Kasi in every category that the tournament will do is there are 16 per category, 16 pairs of 16 teams or 16 pairs per category. So we have how many categories do we have?
10 divisions.
10 categories. 300 to 320 people are participants. Kasi we have categories like in the doubles we have three. We have doubles men, mixed men, and doubles women. So per category there tatlo. So we're expecting like 312 participants.
More or less.
So 4 categories, 10 divisions.
More question?
Okay, no more questions. Siguro ano na.
Ma'am, lastly, messages.
Anyway, this is just an initial first part pala ng press release. We will be calling again another set of press conference when this comes by. So ano lang, closing remarks na lang siguro. Or,
Start with Edberg. Edberg is our like top players of the Habagat and actually Boracay, and is a very promising athlete, and we're hoping he's gonna be one of our star the star of all season.
Closing news na lang yung
encourage ko na ako na maglaro ng bigel kasi sobrang nakaka-enjoy. Just like long tennis. Pero mas nagustuhan ko yung pickle. Kaya lumipat na lang ako na pickleball yun. Yun na.
Same din yung sagot ko kasi pickleball is a growing sport, especially sa US. Nasa 19.8 million na naglaro ng pickleball. So, this is a worldwide sport na very fast growing sports. So, one day, hope na everybody will join this kind of sport because it's very, very easy to learn, but there's opportunity in this sport, especially if you're participating in the tournament. Kung yung mga anak ninyo maliit pa lang, it-test na ninyo na mag-pickleball because this sport is more coming to come this in the future.
Yeah, I guess I could say anyone who's ever played a racket sport like tennis. I've been playing tennis for a few years. Most of us have a tennis background. I think 80% of the pros have a tennis background. So if you ever played ping pong, tennis, badminton, or anything, it should come fairly easy. We've only been playing 6 months, and we do play 5-6 days a week. But you learn very fast, very fast.
Yeah, please watch the Boracay pickleball tournament, the WPC series. And also, yeah, join us for training. We usually play daily at the City Mall at the Macy Pickleball Court. Follow us on our social media. It's called Boracay Island Pickleball Club.
Okay, so I'd like to invite everybody to learn more about pickleball, start playing pickleball, and join our pickleball community. It's a fun way to improve your health, to meet people, and if you come to Boracay, you get to enjoy the island more.
So, as fellow Aklanon, I'd like asking for your support for La Boracay pickleball tournament. So we need Boracay needs all the help it can get right now. So tulungan natin to spread the word for our friends outside, or maybe we know people who play pickleball outside of Aklan. Tell them that our facilities meron na sa Boracay. You have 2 courts now in Boracay. Wala pang beach pickleball, maybe soon. At sa amin naman, I'd like also to invite fellow Aklanons na we already have this facility here available. So, especially to our students, I know parang there are news na kasama na ang pickleball soon sa DepEd Sports. That's why we're really striving to push for 2 courts para mas paalin may facility. Kita iyang we can start early. Our kids can start learning this game, pickleball, so that we can be competitive, no? For Aklan, in the Western Visayas, and even the country. So by next month, dalawa na yung pickleball courts natin. Now summer, sabi nga, some tennis players lumilipat sa pickleball because they find it more enjoyable, easy to learn. So kids natin dyan, right now, you want them to get into sport, try considering pickleball. And also for beach tennis. Although it's not, there is not a global arena, especially in Asia, the same as pickleball sa bilis ng acceptance. But it is here. It's very fun to play and easy on for those beginners. No? Kaya again, we are located, nandito na tayo sa Kalibo, the facility is here. It's just a matter of riding a taxi and getting here. So again, we're in Bougainvillea Road, close to Ilang-Ilang Road and Davao. Inviting everyone. Thank you.
This course is kind of my like right now kasi I am a tennis player actually. Kaso lang, pinakonsider ko na yung pickleball na ito kasi nga hindi malaki ang court. So hindi siya mabilisan na klaseng laro. So alam mo naman, nagkakaedad na tayo. So and I really love paddle or racket sports.
Coming from a tennis background, I would say the reason why I joined the pickleball club is it's because of the community. So it's fun, it's easy to learn, even if you don't have racket sports background, because of the community, how they help you learn. It makes it more fun. So I would like to invite everyone to join us when you can in Macy's Pickleball Court, like what Ms. Norman said. Few games, few matches, and hopefully we can see you in the tournament next month to watch how we play.
Guys, thank you for your time.
Late tayo. I will explain